let us start with a quick introduction. So I'll give my quick introduction about me. So I'm Seshan, and I'm in the Salesforce ecosystem from past 8 years, I can say. So and in the marketing cloud, I can say 7 years in the marketing cloud domain itself. So I'm 4x certified marketing cloud professional. I'm working with an automobile company right now. So that's pretty much about me. So let me start today's session. So Marketing Cloud is a digital marketing tool which help you leverage all the digital marketing tools available in the market, all the digital marketing channels. For example, if I say uh, you can say mobile. In mobile, you have what, how many types of messages you receive? One is SMS. You'll receive WhatsApp messages. You'll receive emails. You'll receive if you are having an application you will receive push notifications, all this type of things you will receive, right? So all this communications can be managed in marketing cloud. This is a very in a layman language, I'm trying to say in a layman language. So this type of things we can use marketing cloud. Okay, so why I have mentioned this slide is that so earlier we used to do some traditional marketing. So now no one is using traditional marketing. Everyone is interested in digital. So if you wanted to manage digital, you need a tool which is marketing technological tool. So in this scenario, definitely marketing cloud will help you to do your tasks. Okay. So earlier marketing is done with the word of mouth and next mass marketing. So next digital marketing. Now it is intelligent marketing. Intelligence is nothing but you need to personalize every communication you're sending to your customer. For that reason, we have mentioned here as intelligent marketing. Okay, so now Salesforce as an ecosystem, Salesforce has every product, right? You name one service, Salesforce has that. Whether it is service cloud, sales cloud, health cloud, industrial cloud, anything. So in the same way, we have marketing cloud also. So marketing cloud is not a Salesforce core product. It is acquired from Exact Target in the year 2009, I guess. I'm not sure which year, but in the year 2010 or something, it is acquired by Salesforce, and they have renamed it as Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So for that reason, you will see the domain name as exacttarget.com. Okay. So this is about the marketing cloud existence, how marketing cloud came into the picture. Okay, so marketing cloud is a mix of multiple studios and builders. It's not one particular studio or one particular thing. In marketing cloud we have multiple studios and multiple builders. So if you dig deep into that, so Salesforce has journey builder, Salesforce marketing cloud has journey builder, marketing cloud has automation studio. It has audience data studio, email studio, mobile studio, advertising studio. Social studio is now not at all available. Paradox. So 360, 360. This is about this is in a layman language. We try to showcase this figure. If you go deep into it, let's discuss about each and everything. So email studio. So email studio we use we use email studio to send emails, to create emails, or to manage the data, right? So in email studio, we will be having a topic called data extension where you will manage your subscribers data in email studio only. So all the subscriber data will be stored in the email studio in the form of data extension, where the data extension you will use to send out any sort of email communications to your customers. Okay, so this is about email studio. In email studio, you create test and send emails. So next coming to our mobile studio. Mobile studio, what you will do, you will send out push notifications, in-app notifications using mobile studio. Also, you can send out SMSs using mobile studio. New feature is called sending WhatsApp communications to the using mobile studio. So that's about mobile studio. Social studio is no longer available. So I would like to not mention about that. So Web Studio is nothing but creating a cloud pages. For example, if you take any website, right? So if you take a website where a website captures all the data, all the details, right? Like name, email, mobile number, everything. So where a proper call to action button is there in the website. So all that web pages can be developed in the web studio in the form of cloud pages, and you can host it in your website to capture data, to capture your end users data, and again that data can be stored in data extensions, and using that data you can send out SMS again, you can send out emails if you have their email address, if you have their mobile, if you have their WhatsApp message, you can send out WhatsApp messages also. So in this way a web studio will help you. It's not a single scenario that you will build only web pages. You can send out a personalized survey link. If you wanted to survey your customers, anonymous surveys, you can build a cloud page and you can send out that particular cloud page link, and you can collect data. So you can store that data in a data extension, and you can analyze that data after once the survey is completed. So any sort of things can be done using Web Studio. So that is about Web Studio and Advertising Studio. Advertising Studio is nothing but a studio where if you are aware of the Google advertisement, social media ads, all this digital marketing things, you can manage using Advertising Studio, where you will have a dedicated dashboard there. You can view all the analytics of the ads which you are running, and you can attribute to any email campaign, and you can use this data to send out email campaigns again. So in this way Advertising Studio will help you. So and coming to Analytics Builder, so this is a data tool where you will analyze all the data, whether you wanted to analyze your emails and reports, or your subscriber report, how many subscribers are there. For example, if you have particular attributes and you wanted to filter those audiences, you can use Analytical Builder. So Content Builder is again an interlink to the Email Studio or anything, but in Content Builder, you build any sort of content, whether it is email content, push content, SMS content, WhatsApp content. All the contents you will build in Content Builder, and all the personalizations can be done using a proprietary scripting language called AMP script. So if you wanted to learn Marketing Cloud, you should learn a scripting language called AMP script, and it is not a difficult language. It's like declaring variables and printing those variables in your email template or in your communications. Okay, so I can say it is not a difficult one, but you can learn in 1 week or 15 days, I can say. So audience builder is nothing but managing your audiences, your subscribers. Whether, for example, if you got a requirement to send out an email notification who are staying in one particular state, so where you go to audience builder and filter these audiences, you will understand how many people are there in this particular state and in which age bracket your people are there. So all this data cleansing, or you can say mm, I can say data personalizations, or in any term, we can use this audience builder. So coming to Journey Builder is a marketing cloud tool. So where you build multiple journeys to send out any sort of communications, whether it is email, SMS, or push, you use Journey Builder. Because so Journey Builder, you can set up thing automatically. For example, if you wanted to send out a communication tomorrow morning 9 a.m., you can schedule this journey, you can build everything, and you can schedule this journey. So for example, if a new record comes into the data exchange, then the journey should trigger. So you can schedule this sort of journeys using Journey Builder. So personalization builder is nothing but it's an artificial intelligence tool where you Einstein recommendation, there will be some sort of recommendations where it helps you in A/B testing, or A/B testing, or finding out the right email, or finding out the right content. So for all this type of things, this personalization builder will help you in in building this tool. So, so this is a very in a layman language. I have explained you about the marketing cloud. So what I will do is I will give you a small in just a small introduction of the course, how it will look like, and how it will help you in your thing. Okay. So you can see my screen, right? The Google Sheet which I have opened, right? So I will open this screen and I will try to give you a small very clear structure of the course. Okay, what you will be learning in this course if you are enrolling for this course. So before that, I will be I'll open the sessions for a quick question and answer session. So if you have any questions in this, I can happily answer for you. Fine. I assume that you do not have any questions. Let me go. Let me open an Excel sheet. So what you will learn? Email. So you will email studio. So assume that in email studio, what topics will be there? We will discuss about building email. We'll discuss about building email. We'll discuss about data extensions. We'll discuss about A/B testings. So we'll be having lot more topics continuously. So for this email studio, we'll cover 7 to 8 sessions. So mobile studio, mobile push, SMS, WhatsApp. So I can say 5 sessions for this. Automation studio will be a topic where you will have 4 sessions. So and journey builder is a topic where you have 4 sessions. Reports will be 4 sessions, and the starting sessions will be admin sessions. It will be of 2 sessions. So it will be 8, 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 20, 23, 24, 25. Definitely in this 25 sessions, I will not only take only the oral sessions. So there will be a practice sessions involving, and altogether we will be having some uh, 35 to 40 sessions. Okay, 35 to 40 sessions. What I will do is, whoever have contacted you will send, that person will send you all the details of the course curriculum. You can go through the course curriculum and reach out to them if you are interested in this particular marketing cloud session. Okay, so this will be 8 sessions. So overall, this will be 30, and we will be having aim based script. I will not take more sessions. You need to practice this so that I'll put only 2 sessions. So overall here 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 8, 28, 28 sessions. Okay. So this will be the course structure. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer. Otherwise, we can wind up this call